Shopify Horizon Theme Announcement Bar Setup Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see Shopify Horizon Theme Announcement Bar Setup Tutorial. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to Online Store and click on it. Next, on the right side, you will find the Edit Theme button. Click on it, and the theme editor will open on your screen. Once you're inside, go to the very top of the home page where you will see the announcement bar. Click on it, and the settings panel will open on the right side. Here, you can adjust the time of the next announcement. 5 seconds is usually enough, but you can set it according to your preference. In the Appearance section, open the color scheme list and choose a scheme that matches your store's design and overall colors. A divider is already added between the announcement bar and the menu section, as you can see in the black line. The divider thickness is set to 1 by default, but you can increase or decrease it. Let me increase it to highlight it more clearly. You can also add padding at the top and bottom if needed. There is also a custom CSS option. The Horizon theme allows you to customize the announcement bar by adding your own code inside this box. Once everything is set, go to the top right corner and click the Save button. And that's it. This is how you can set up the announcement bar in the Shopify Horizon theme. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.